In order to produce a shot like this, we will go to modeling scene. Then we will set the scene to be close to the required shot. Pan the scene. Adjust the frame like this. Adjust the frame like this. Then we will add a new scene. We will name it perspective. Then we will turn off lighting tag and update the scene. Then we will start Enscape. If we orbit like so inside Enscape and the view is changed to back to the same scene, what we will do, we will turn on synchronize from here, then return again to Enscape. We will notice that the scene is back to its frame. From visual settings, we will set camera properties, and we will notice that projection is locked at perspective because of it takes this option from SketchUp and synchronize is on. Also, we will notice that field of view is the same case and its value is 35 degrees. In depth of field, we can control the focus area of the shot. So if we increased the depth of field, we will notice that there is a lot of blur in the shot, and focus on this area because of autofocus is turned on. If we turn it off autofocus and specify the distance of focal point, so we set the distance at which objects appear sharp. We will notice that Enscape highlights these objects, the sharp objects. Here we will notice that focal point is a facade. We can reduce depth of field. So we will notice this result. We can turn on autofocus again, then reduce depth of field to 0. And if we want some blur in the shot, we may set depth of field at 5. Then in rendering quality, we will choose Ultra. So this is the highest quality of render. To export this scene as a shot, from screenshot icon number 8 from left, it takes a shot of this view in front of us. We will click on Screenshot tool, then choose the location of the shot. We will click on Save, so its format will be PNG. Now it's rendering the image. To specify the size and format of output image that we export from Enscape, we will go to Output tab, then choose the image resolution. Here there are choices of resolution. Here we can choose Full HD, mean 1920 by 1080, and there is Ultra HD, 3840 by 2160. The maximum size of an image we can produce is 8192 by 8192. For a custom size, choose this option, so we will be able to edit these dimensions. Back to Ultra HD, then in Image, we will be able to select the file format that we export. Either it is PNG or JPG or EXR or TGA.